Oh yeah, this is another money video. You know it, and that's a lot of money because this is a big money video. We're gonna be talking about how to turn $50 into $500 using Google Ads every single day. And I'm gonna be showing you how I'm doing this, and we're gonna be using Google. Now, Google is one of the biggest ad networks. Actually, it's the biggest ad network on the planet. It eclipses everything else. Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat ads, everything. And they serve over 30 billion ads every single day. That's one ad for every man, woman, and the child times 5 on the entire planet. So this is the biggest ad network, and understanding how to leverage Google Ads, how to leverage that audience, that reach, and make money is a skill that has made me millions of dollars every single year since 2014. I've been making $1 million a year since 2014, and I've been using Google Ads to do it. I'm gonna show you exactly how, step by step, my entire process in this video, very quickly, show you from A to Z how to place an ad to how to make money. I'm gonna be showing you right here on my computer, and I'll be showing you the 3-step process to do it. People, place, product. 3 steps. This is a little preview of my bigger course, but 3 steps to do it because you need to reach people. We're gonna be using Google Ads to reach people to sell a product to. Then we're gonna take them from Google to a place where we can sell them. And then we need a product in which for them to buy that will pay us commissions when it's sold, which will be an affiliate offer. So we're gonna be going over this 3-step system, everything you need to do to implement it in this video. Make sure to sit down, get on a desktop computer or a laptop, or you know what, if you're on a mobile phone, look. Turn it this way, right? Yeah. I know a lot of you resist turning your phone this way, but you're gonna wanna turn it this way. I see you looking at the comments, you're like, what are people saying? It works, people. So just turn the phone this way and let's check it out. This is gonna be really exciting. We're gonna go over things step by step on this computer. I've made millions of dollars doing this. I'm excited to share it with you. So let's check it out. Let's get it. Money video, baby. So Google Ads and affiliate marketing is such an easy thing to do because it allows me to literally just type on my computer and send words and ads out to the internets and get people buying stuff that makes me money. And affiliate offers allow me to run a business that don't require any customer service, any inventory, anything on my side. And I'm able to be free to hang out with my family, travel the world, do whatever I want. Most of the time it's like just being lazy and doing fun things, right? Whatever you wanna do, we're gonna do it. So this does require money. Big disclaimer, it says turn $50 because you are gonna have to pay for ads. But if you're willing to play with me, I'm gonna show you how you can turn that $50 into $500 very simply and easily with Google Ads. So you are gonna have to pay for ads and you are gonna have to have a website. Quick note, I'm gonna go through a lot of stuff in this video very fast. If you are averse to spending $50, then get off this video. Go on to a next video. I have a ton of free traffic videos. Unsubscribe from this channel, whatever. Do whatever you want to do, but we're gonna spend $50 here. But we're gonna turn it into big money. We are gonna be using Google Ads. Now, the benefit of using ads is it's quick, right? They happen quick. You press play, boom, they're out there and you can start making money back really, really fast, over and over again. They work for you. And once you get this formula where it's minting you money, you just keep going. That's the beauty of advertising. And that's what they don't teach you in college about marketing. What marketing is really about is taking $1 and turning it into $2 or even $3 through effective marketing. Spending $100 on an advertisement and turning it into $2 in product sales. That's what real marketing is. That is what the goal of this video is to take $1 and multiply it through product sales. So that's what we're gonna be learning here. Now, I love marketing. If you love marketing too, type in I love marketing in the comments below because this channel is all about marketing. And my goal in life is to be the #1 marketing teacher. Let me explain to you the system real quick. First off, once again, the way we are reaching people is through Google Ads. And what we call this is clicks. I'll talk about clicks. That's how we measure getting people to our ads. The place that we're going to be selling people is a website. In the old school days, you had to go to a store and you had to like talk to a person and a cash register or something like that. Way long ago, there were door-to-door salespeople, 100 years ago, where they'd knock on your door, your window, and give you some sales pitch. And a little more recently, people have been using the phone to reach people, to give their product pitch, to sell products to people. Everybody hates those annoying telemarketers. But now we have a website. I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for a website. It's only gonna cost a few bucks. And lastly, we need a product in which to sell people that pays us commissions whenever we sell it. And that is what's called, in today's day, an affiliate offer. Now, have you ever wondered, how does Expedia.com or Priceline or CheapOair or Orbitz or any of these airline booking sites, how do they make money? They don't actually own any airplanes, right? Or how does Hotels.com make any money? They don't actually own any hotels. Or how does Uber make any money? They don't actually own any taxi cabs or taxi drivers. Well, they all make money through a business model called affiliate marketing, and it's connecting a person who's interested in something, who's looking for a hotel, with a hotel, for instance. And then by referring people, by creating a place for them to go through, like Priceline.com or like Expedia.com, by referring a customer over to the airline, they are earning a commission on every sale they generate. That's how they make money, because they referred a customer. And that's affiliate marketing. It's referring a customer digitally and earning a commission. So let's go into how we actually put this into process right here on my computer. Let's get this whole thing set up. It's not that complicated, but you are gonna have to spend money. You're gonna have to be willing to play along. I know you wanna scroll through the comments. Oh, does this work? Hey, who else is having success with the system? You're a loser. Flip the phone sideways. Let's put this into action. And if you're offended by me calling you a loser, you're probably a pussy too. Okay, let's get into this. So the way we're gonna implement this is we're actually gonna implement this. We're gonna set up the product first. We're gonna get our affiliate link to get the product. And then we're going to actually set up our website, our pre-sale page, and then we are going to advertise it. Third step is we're going to set up our Google ad. First step is you have to understand the product. How do affiliate networks pay you? Well, they pay you a couple of different ways. I'm going to show you an affiliate network that accepts people no matter what age you are, no matter where in the world you're from, no matter what country you're from, and they'll pay you via PayPal, via bank wire, you just need a bank account, or via a check, which means you need to have an address somebody can send a check to. And the affiliate network we are going to work with is called Digistore. So Digistore accepts people all over the world. You could sign up for some other ones, but they don't accept people all over the world, and you won't be able to promote the right products here. So here you are. It'll say Digistore 24 when you click on the link in the description, johncristani.com/Digistore, and you will, if you aren't signed up, I'm already signed up, you will create an account, and it has all the information you need to create an account here. Now again, there are asterisks next to the things that are required. If you don't have a company, there's not an asterisk next to it, so you don't need to fill it out. You'll fill it out. I will just log in. Now once we are logged in, you can see some of my earnings here, but we will go over to the marketplace right there, okay? This is where you will find the products that you can promote and get paid for. So once we are in the marketplace, you could do one of two things. You could just type in my last name, Cristani, and up will pop my products, okay? So I have two products. I have an ebook. This is what we'll be selling. It retails for $1. There's a monthly subscription of it, which is $39 a month, which means every customer you get at a 90% commission rate, you actually add an extra $35 a month in recurring income. So if you do the math, 2 sales a day times $35 commission times 30 days, you'll add an extra $2,100 a month in recurring income if you can just get $2 a day. 2 people buying this book every day will turn into a full-time income. $2 a day, 2 customers a day will turn into a full-time income. That's all you need to do. Let's get into how we make this happen. As you see, 90% commission. What we do is when you signed up, all you need to do is click this, and this is your promo link. You see that right there? So we're just gonna copy this, copy right there, and I'm gonna copy this in. So there's our promo link. Then we wanna create a short link out of this. To make this link a little prettier, well, we could make it prettier, we don't need to. So let's just deal with this link. Sometimes I like making the links prettier, sometimes it's not necessary. But you can follow along with me all the steps in the resource guide, which I'll go over in a second. I also have a high ticket program. This is my 6-week course. It's an educational course which goes over much more in depth how to do online advertising. We're just trying to go through it as fast as we can right here. Okay, now if you go to johncristani.com/resource, you will see all of these steps in my resource guide as well. Follow along there as well. So in my resource guide, it'll pop up like this, and you will click Google Ads, see right here, and you'll be taken to a section which is about Google advertising. And it goes over everything you need to do step by step for this video to make this work. So first we signed up for Digistore, we searched Crestani, we grabbed our link. The next step is we need a pre-sale page. So what we do is we actually get my advertorial funnel from ClickFunnels. So what you'll do is you'll go to johncristani.com and click copy my pre-sale, okay? Right there. And then it will go to this, which says listicle cold traffic BizOp pre-sale right there. And you can just click add funnel. If you're doing this for entertainment purposes, just click forget and unsubscribe from this channel and click add funnel. And what it'll do is it'll add a funnel to your actual ClickFunnels account. Now, if you don't have ClickFunnels, you'll need to sign up for ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has a free trial. It's $97 a month after 30 days or so, or after 14 days, something like that. But go for the free trial, cancel. They're a big company. They'll cancel you right away. All that jazz. So let's check it out. If you want to make real money, you're going to put this into action. And let me show you what type of website. You're getting a done for you website right off the bat that works very powerfully. So here we are. We have your internet website and we can preview it. I'll show you a preview of this. This is an article that is built to convert. Now there's a lot of psychology in here. I'm not going to explain everything, but it's called a listicle and they're very compliant. Advertising loves them. People love them. And 16 legitimate ways to make money at home. And showing a before and after picture right here of a woman working in a cubicle, hating her life, having to drive to work and leave her kids at home each day. And this is a woman that is sitting on the beach that gets to enjoy having her kids around her each day and sipping on pina coladas while working because she can work anywhere in the world. We have a bunch of different ways to earn money from home in 2020, and they have a bunch of different lists. Earn $60 an hour helping small business owners. So it's an informative article. What we're doing is educating people here. But notice at the end of each one of these little sections, it offers people to, once again, buy the book to learn more work at home secrets. And when people buy the book, you earn a recurring commission from when they're signed up. So it's pretty great, right? Because all you need is 2 people a day to read this article and say, working at home sounds pretty neat, and spend $1. And then you will build a huge source of recurring income, okay? So this whole article is split tested. It's built to convert people who view it to say, okay, I'm interested in spending $1 to check out, get this book to work at home. Everything about this marketing funnel is built. I'm not gonna explain all the details of why it works so well because that'll take days, and you can join my super affiliate system and attend one of my seminars and I'll go over that. That's beyond our scope here. The next step is a little technical and you wanna follow the steps here. So you'll need to go to funnel settings, add edit domains, add new domain, and you'll need to create a new domain. So you need to actually have a real domain for this. Let's go to this. We go right here, settings. See, we're in ClickFunnels. We go to settings. Then we're gonna go right down here. See where it says add or edit domains? Right down here, and you'll click add or edit domains. Because what you need is you need your own funnel. And then you'll click add new domain right there. So see where I'm pointing? And then you'll want to do this option is register a new domain. I'll click choose a domain. Register a new domain because you need your own website to advertise on Google Ads. So you'll search a domain such as, let's say, Habib's Career Advice, $20.com. Click that button right there, okay, to buy the domain. Then hot diggity dang, it's available. And then you will click pay $20 to register the site. Now you can do various, Habib's Career Advice, Habib's Career Tips, Habib's Work Tips, Habib's job advice, Habib's job news, work at home news. It doesn't matter what the domain is because nobody really looks or cares about the domain, or not enough people to make it matter. So pay the $20 for your domain, and then we're off to the races. So now once you've registered your domain, you'll go back to your settings in your actual ClickFunnels. Remember, Steps has the picture of your website where you can edit the page, which we'll do in a second, and it has the preview link and it has all these other links. But we're gonna go back to the settings right here. And we're gonna click the settings again if you're not already on it, or if you're already on the site, you'll click reload or refresh or F4. And then we will click domain. And in my case, the domain I registered was newcareeradvice.com. See that? So I'm going to select that. I'm going to say cool. And then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and I'm going to click Save and Update Settings. See that button right there at the bottom? Save and Update Settings. Now what we're doing is you're cloning a website that works. You're setting up a website like that. It doesn't take a lot of effort, doesn't take a lot of work, but you're doing it and you're doing it well. And hot dang, I'm proud of you, I guess. I don't know, but let's make money. That's the goal. Let's sell my product. So next step is we are going to take this link and we're going to copy it. And we're going to copy it and it's going to say website. I'm just going to put that in there, right there. Okay, we have our website. Now this step, what we want to do is we could go to Google right now, but first we have to make sure our affiliate links selling the product are actually in the page itself. So now that we have our domain set up, we're going to edit the page and put in our affiliate links right here. We're going to put in our affiliate links right there. We're going to click Edit Page. And what we're going to do is you're going to go in here. You can ignore all these gobbledygook things. And you're going to replace every single link with your own link so that it actually gives you credit when you make a sale of the book. So see here, when I click on this link, up pops this stuff. And it says the referrer is John Crestani. So you're going to replace that with whatever your own affiliate link is. So you will copy and paste. Let's say your link is google.com. Now, when somebody clicks the link, they'll go to google.com. So you click every one of these links and you replace the link with your own affiliate link. That way you get credit for the sale. That's how the internet works. That's how affiliate links work. When you click the link and somebody buys the product, you get credit for that sale. And that's how hundreds and hundreds, even thousands of my students get sales every single day. Check this out. So if you go to my channel, you can actually see a lot of the testimonials that people put up. But here was a 14-year-old. He said, I'm 14 and just did this and I've earned 3 sales or so, $1,500. I'm so thankful. Here's another person, Jono Armstrong. He said, strike this while the iron's hot and unsaturated. $2,000 in a single day. Okay, this is promoting my super affiliate system, but there's a lot more money to be made, I suspect, promoting my book. Here's another one, Susie B. Thank you for all your encouragement. I made my first $70 in ClickBank this morning. This is happening all the freaking time. I get these messages every day because the reason is we're teaching real marketing advice here. You're learning real stuff. So I know you might be saying, oh, I have to spend $20, right? It's nice when I say, you have to spend $50, but when you actually have to do it, you crumble and die inside, right? Wither and die, right? Our grandfathers had to fight in wars and we're scared about spending $50. If you want to be financially free, check out these steps. Do them. Just do it and check it out. I'm trying to help you. I'm changing lives here and I want to make sure you make money as well. So do the steps, do the steps, do the steps. Got the website, we're changing around the links. So after you change around all the links that you need to change around, another side note is you can use this to sell anything, this format, but you're gonna click Save right here. So now we're messing around with getting people to our website. We have our affiliate link, we have the product, right? That is going to pay us money. Digistore will pay you via PayPal, wire, or check. We have the place, we have a website now that we can go to. You saw how fast we set that up. If we go to this website, it ends up showing up as 16 legitimate ways to make money at home. It's a nice looking article. So we have these two things out of the way. Now we just have to create the ad, which is a whole other step into itself. So let's create the ad. Now you'll want to sign up for Google Ads. I put a link here for you to sign up, Google Ads, and you'll just click Start Now. I don't suggest you call their reps because they are very unhelpful and they don't actually help you with your advertising. they'll want to set it up for you. Sign in if you already have an account. Here I am logged into Google. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in. It looks very complicated at first, but you're going to want to go over to campaigns. And I'm going to zoom through this. And if you could let me know in the comments below, am I going too fast? Am I going too slow? Do you need more explanation? Less explanation? Again, I can only do these videos so long, so I just want to know too fast or too slow. Let me know in the comments below. And also give this video a big like and subscribe if you're learning something. And if you're just excited about marketing, hit the notification bell as well, because I love marketing. I've been doing this 10 years. I've made millions of dollars. I own acres of property in Malibu. I'm a multimillionaire, which is really exciting. And it's all because I love this stuff. It's fun. And when you start reaching people and seeing the effects, it gets so exciting. So campaigns, you want to click this plus button right there. And you want to set up new campaign. After that, there'll be a lot of selections here, but you'll just want to select create a campaign without goal guidance. I'm not going to explain all the terminology here. And if you think this is good, you should check out the super affiliate system, because we go way more in depth here. Then you'll want to select display. See right there, okay? Display campaign. And then we're going to want to click standard. Okay, see? Now all of this interface changes. Keep in mind that this interface will likely look different, but the selections will be somewhat similar. So you're going to have to use your brain to figure out what is different, what is the same, what I'm actually going for. Some of these selections stay the same. They just change their look and feel over time. Now, select the results you want to get this campaign from. So again, it says your business website. So at this point, we need our website. So we're going to copy our website, click copy, and we're going to paste it in right there. Okay, so we just paste in our website, and then we're going to click continue. This is Google Ads, people. This is the most powerful advertising platform in the planet. I hope you can all give yourself a little pat on the back, for you deserve this. You are using the most powerful advertising, sales, and marketing engine in the planet right now. You're setting up an ad campaign. Congratulate yourself, give yourself, say, I love myself or something in the comments below if you want to play along. But this is a huge thing if you are going through, and if you've made it this far in the video, if you've actually done the steps. Some of you are just kind of like looking at it in portrait mode still, kind of like rolling through comments, right? I know most of you are. But if you're really playing along and actually doing this on your computer, congratulate yourself making it this far. Campaign name, it doesn't really matter what the campaign name is. And for the locations, doesn't really matter what the locations are. Generally speaking, I like to advertise in Western countries. Canada, I really like small island nations. Those are great for work at home jobs. Jamaica, oh, these are high converting areas. Hong Kong, they never have enough jobs in those areas. Australia's great, New Zealand. So just Western types of places. And we're gonna get rid of French because, again, our page isn't in French, right? This is not in French. We're not gonna advertise to French people. Then we're gonna go down here, we're gonna select focus on viewable impression. We're gonna say select a bid strategy directly, not recommended, right there. Then we're gonna say we wanna pay for manual bid strategies, pay for clicks, old school. And we're gonna uncheck this option right there. We don't wanna enhance CPC. No good. The amount of budget we're gonna spend is, let's just say $10. Again, we're trying to start out, we're gonna spend it for 5 days. That's it. But if you want, you can go to advanced settings. If you saw what I just did, clicked advanced settings, and I'm gonna select an end date. If you really wanna make sure Google doesn't overspend your money, you can select start date, end date. I'm filming this in the past. It takes time to prepare this. And then we're gonna go down here. It doesn't matter what the ad group name is. A lot of this stuff doesn't matter. If I don't explicitly mention it, don't ask, or you can ask about it, but I might just not answer. And what we're gonna go down to here is we're gonna go down to here where it says content targeting. This is where we select who gets to see our ad. We're gonna select topics right there. Remember, you can always follow along in the resource guide. Again, johncristani.com/resource. And again, as a community here, if you've been following my videos for a while, if somebody's asking, because there's always newcomers who are in the comments saying, where do I find the link? Please just post the link for them. I want everybody to help each other out. Again, I don't have unlimited time. You know, I like to mess around a lot. I put out these videos because I enjoy marketing and I enjoy helping you guys learn how to do marketing, but I'm not hanging out answering all your comments. I get 2,000 comments a day, and that's just on YouTube. You don't even know, I get about 2,000 emails a day on top of that. Everybody's like, does this work in Sierra Leone? Does this work in Nigeria? I don't have time to answer all your comments. So please, help each other out. That's part of building a community here. If you rely on me, I'll stop putting out these videos and you can learn marketing from somebody else. Go for it. But I don't think you'll learn from anybody going as in depth as I am. If you know this is the #1 money channel on YouTube, type in #1 money channel on YouTube. Let's get it. So in the resource guide, you can follow along right here, and we're gonna go to topic, business, industrial, small business, MLM, and business opportunities. So here we are in topics, content, topics, business, and industrial. So we're gonna click this little drop down right there, and then go small business, then we do MLM and business opportunities. So that's who we're gonna advertise to. Now, once you get good at advertising, you can start testing out different types of advertising and see which one works best, right? That's where the real innovation comes in. You see which one works best. Maybe you also wanna try advertising and marketing, and you wanna try people who are in sales, right? People in sales might be interested in work at home opportunities. So whatever it is, you can test these things out. That's part of marketing. We're just doing the bare basics. I just want to show you the interface. And then what we're going to do is click done. See? And we selected our topic, MLM and business opportunities. The next thing is we're going to go down and we're going to enter in a manual CPC bid for this ad group and just select 50 cents, okay? Select 50 cents. You know what, we actually want to track maximize clicks right here. Then we'll go back down, ad group, selected our topic, and then we're going to create our ad. So we're at the final stage of creating our Google ad, which is amazing. Again, pat yourself on the back if you've made it this far. This is huge. If you've made it this far, say, I'm at the ad thing. And if you're going to make it all the way, I want to hear you in a little bit. But we're going to click create ad right there, and you're going to click create responsive display ad right there. So once again, this is a marathon. If this is one of the hardest things you've done on YouTube, let me know. Say this is one of the hardest things I've done on YouTube, because there's a lot of steps here, but I hope you're seeing that this is a very big business and I've made millions doing this. So here we are, and our URL is right in here already. It's the original URL we entered. First, we'll click on images and logos. We'll click right there to get some images and logos. Now, frankly, this step is a little easier because we click this and some of the images are preloaded in here. So we can just select, say, use as, and select this gator guy and just select use as and click continue. You can always move this around a little bit if you want, or something like that, whatever you want to do. Just click continue, and then you'll select one of these and you'll select use as logo right there, and you just click continue. And that's it. So then you just click save, and you can select other images to use. Google has a lot of images that you can use, but I'm just going with the basics for this one. Now for our headlines, I suggest you write your own headlines, okay? I'm gonna give you some examples, but if you're just trying to play along, I give you an example here, 16 ways to make money from home. Then my example long headline is 16 legitimate ways to make money at home. Once again, I suggest you write your own, come up with your own copy, or test one against mine. Click add and then write your own. Say, work at home, it's better like that, right? Or whatever you want to do, but just try out your own stuff as well. The description I used, and you can modify this. I wrote a description that says, so you're looking for ways to earn money at home, join the crowd. And business name, you can just type in whatever your name is, you know, John Cristani, or you could just type in, you know, your website name. My website name is New Career Advice. So voila. So then you just click add to ad group right here. If you want to preview your ad, you can click around. You can see what it looks like on a desktop computer. You can look at what it looks like on a mobile phone. You can say, okay, this is what your ad will look like when it shows up on the internet, which is pretty cool. You're really creating a real ad people will see, and when people click on it, you have a chance to make money. So we're gonna click add to ad group. There's your ad, and then we say create campaign. Now I already have my billing information entered, so you'll probably have to enter your billing information, but that's all there is to it. There we go. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. That's it, boom! Woo! That is insane. Now, if you did the entire freaking thing and you post the ad, type in the chat, say I did it. Type in I did it, because very few people will make it that far. But what you just did was incredible. And I want to really congratulate you for having the focus, for having the wherewithal, for having the dedication and commitment to doing this. Most people watching this video will actually do it from a mobile phone, watching it portrait style, so they can read the comments, so they can second guess everything and see what people say in the comments and actually never do anything from the video. That's what most people do. Some people will watch it actually landscape mode and try to digest the information. And very few people will actually watch it on their desktop computer and pause the video in one tab and follow along and do the steps in another tab. Very few people, even those on desktop computers, because it's very scary. I understand it's very scary, but you did it if you made it this far. You set up a website. You registered for an affiliate network which will pay you money for posting links. And you set up an ad on the most powerful advertising and marketing platform in the world today that reaches billions of people and serves 30 billion ads every single day. You did it. Seriously, that is a huge accomplishment. Most people never register a website. Even after they register a website, never put anything on the website. And let alone, most people never get to the point where they actually have a real strategy to make money and get people coming to their website. What you did is incredible today, and I'm really excited to have you as a subscriber on my channel, that you took action. Again, type in I did it if I did it, and everyone else, please congratulate those who did it. I wanna make sure we just love bomb everyone. It's a huge accomplishment. It's very scary in today's day and age of like, don't make a mistake, right? Everybody's always worried about things. We have it so easy today. People are so scared about doing things and working for themselves, but you did it, and you have an opportunity to start a business which can burn like this. My very first business was exactly this. I got started in affiliate marketing. I spent $5,000 a month to make $50,000 a month. So there are extra zeros at the end of each of these. That's how I got my start. That's how I quit my job. That's how I created an online income that turned my life into something that seemed like a dream, that allowed me to travel the world, that allowed me to have enough money to afford property in Malibu, real property. I have acres. I have a horse ranch. My horses don't even have to touch a road to get on to the main trail. You are in the 1% if you did it. So I hope everyone does this. Hope everyone tries this out. And again, this is the first step. There's a lot more to it. There's split testing, learning how to write good headlines that outperform these I gave you in the template. There's figuring out what are the best images. There's looking at the data, and all of that and more, if you're interested, can be learned in my 6-week program called the Super Affiliate System. You can look it up. There's links in the description, but that is a training course. It costs a bit of money. It costs $1,000, but it is fair for what I've done and what you'll be learning in that course if you're interested in doing that. If you're just interested in learning how to start a work-at-home business, you get my book for $1, right? There's a link to that in the description, which has about 100 different ways you can start to do some task-based work or skill-based work online. But really, if you made it this far, for those that didn't make it this far, check out my book. But for those that did make it this far, check out my training course. Learn more. Implement more. I'm really proud of everyone here who actually took action, and make sure everyone else congratulate those who said I did it in the comments, because that's really exciting. And I'm hoping that some of you see massive success and learn to love marketing as I have, because it's created such benefits for me and my family. And it's a really exciting skill to have. It's a really powerful skill. My business makes millions of dollars a year. You can still, at the very base, get paid very well working for marketing agencies and everything else. But if you cultivate this love of marketing, you'll go very far in life indeed. So I'm happy some of you have stuck with me this long. Google Ads is exciting. People, place, product, turning money into more money. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, playing with me today, for learning marketing. This was a long lesson, one of my longer ones. But make sure to like this video if you got a lot out of this. Make sure to congratulate those who have done it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I won't be doing these crazy videos all the time. And make sure to hit the notification bell if you want to see these videos fast, if you really want to be notified every time, because we're doing it every day. I'm doing it every single day for the rest of the year. Every single day we're coming out with a video. I'm going to teach you guys marketing. I want to create more millionaires this year than any other marketing teacher on the planet. I want to be the #1 marketing teacher in the world by the end of 2020. And I'm going to help you guys make some money. So let's make it happen. Have a good one. Talk to you soon.